in him? Red or black?
Red, because black's last year and red's this year. What's that? Oh, your paw.
Black's what?
Black is last year. Last year's tag.
Look at that little bitty jiggler. Look where I had him hooked at.
Oh, that's so cool.
In the whisker.
Got him right by the whisker.
I got fish on the line for that one.
Yeah, I confess. He was waiting on me to come out, and I'll say I fell asleep. Blue catfish have blue eyes. And we didn't hurt him with the hook, but we're going to stab him with a knife.
Barely did it.
That's kind of messy swimming.
No, I don't.
Getting these catfish tagged. Then we have a fishing tournament. You know how many fish we catch here every day. Heck, if you don't live close to us, you can still come up. You can camp here. We got a shelter house. I mean, wherever you live, you can come to the fishing tournament. I just want to hear somebody say they'd come.
I'm gonna let him release it. I'm gonna release him in the net, okay? So you don't worry about dropping him.
You can get a bunch of fake people out here for the fishing tournament.
That was
Bye-bye, baby.
good release.
Yep.
Huh?